What's going on, guys? This is Dennis with Cali Ventures. In this video, we're going to be covering Samoyedcoin from a technical analysis standpoint on the road to $1. So I just wanted to point out quickly from a high time frame standpoint, we're sitting on the yearly time frame, and this 2023 candle right here to me is a very good place to map out a high time frame range. So I mapped it out already, and when we zoom in, you're going to be able to see how the 2023 range is affecting price action, how this mid-range is a really key level to watch out for. So zooming into the monthly, things are looking super, super good. We came up, made that yearly high, took out this liquidity up here, tagged it, almost got up here, but wasn't able to. And it seems like, price action is really looking good from a high time frame standpoint. That monthly stochastic doesn't exist yet, I don't think. Yeah, or it does exist, but it's chilling up here, which I'm not gonna. This is the monthly time frame, so I don't really make any decisions based off of that. I just like to keep an eye on this time frame. Looking at the weekly, this looks really nice, right? Assuming you get some sort of bullish close, we had this indecisive close, which ended up green, but then it looks like we're almost forming some sort of higher low potentially for another move up to the 2023 high, breaking outside of this 2023 mid. So the previous range we were talking about looked like this, right? So we came down, tagged the support, right? Confluence up at the 2023 mid and this range high. So again, very key level that I'm watching out for. Zooming into the daily time frame. Well, first of all, that weekly stochastic RSI looks like it's almost thinking about printing a green dot, which again, if that does happen, and with the market type for B, you also want to consider like front running it a little bit. It is a lagging indicator, and all these indicators are lagging, so like the stochastic RSI included. So just to keep that in mind. Again, stochastic RSI looking potentially like it wants to cross, but then you zoom into the daily, and it's like, oh my gosh, we were unable to meet that mid-range and get above it, and we're clearly rejecting off of it right now. You tap that in with the other range that we were in, this level here, we rejected off once, we bounced off of support. I was unable to make these highs, clear the highs, all this wickery that was trapped, and then we came back down within the range, right? I said in another video, a couple in last year, Happy New Year, that if we were to fall back within this range, it's likely that we're going to come tag the mid-range. That's what happened. Now we were consolidating for a couple of days. There was a pretty range that we were watching, and I made a post yesterday in yesterday's video or post, keeping an eye on this resistance because this is high time frame resistance, and I'm happy that I can come on and just break it down for you guys. But unfortunately, zooming into the 4 hour, just looking at price action, and if I were to map out my range again, it does seem like we, assuming we close this candle here. Within the next 1 hour and a half, I would say it's likely that Samoyedcoin, unless we get significant price action as support above 0.015, I think it's likely that we're going to probably trade back down towards the range low. Again, we have ranges love deviation, or ranges love symmetry, and you're getting a lot of that right here in this buildup. So let me look at the momentum indicator again. We did get a cross, but again, we have gotten a green cross before. Everyone gets super bullish up here. Everyone gets super bullish up here, and boom, wickery, right? And then red candle, rejecting immediately off of that 2023 mid, which again, super high time frame level. This makes sense to me as to why price action is not getting above it. But again, key level to stay above if the bulls want to remain in control. And you can tell multiple times we deviated it, mounted at support, almost touched it again. And the second we fell back inside it, it just became really, really big resistance. So that's how I'm seeing SAMO. The stochastic RSI in the 4 hour getting to those clearly at those overbought standpoints. So again, sell off makes sense. Market cipher B also printing a red dot, which again, not what you want to be seeing for the bulls. We do have the monthly open down here at that range low, which is another level that I'm also watching out for, and Monday's range as well seems to be right here. So you want to see this next area of support held right here at Monday's high and this mid range to potentially make price action do something like that, or we can come up, take out this liquidity, maybe price action, maybe the bulls can bring us up to, break out above the high time frame mid. When you look at the 4 hour, I mean, this is how you're kind of trading price action over the weeks. When you're looking at the 4 hour, it kind of tells you one story, but then when you look at the weekly time frame, you're like, oh wait, this looks really bullish. But note that the weekly time frame, we could easily come down and tag the previous week close at 0.01. And what you don't want to do is you don't want to see price action come down below it again. So, and what are these, like high time frame equal lows? No, they're not. Okay. So again, this range low clearly seems to be a very key level. You could probably inch it up a little higher to that 0.011 level. And that's exactly how I would want to see Samo play out for the upside. Obviously, we have to break out. This looks really bullish right now. Everyone's super bullish. I'm a little cautious here just because of how the 4 hours looking. Again, support at 0.013. And yeah, let's see how the daily looks. Yeah, that daily opens not looking that great. Market Cipher B not looking that great. Stochastic RSI headed toward those overbought levels. Yeah, so, and we did take out a key level of liquidity. So again, this right here, this mid-range, this is my area of support that I want to see held. Ideally, price action comes in it and walks away from it. That's how I'm seeing Samo, guys. If you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I have a lot planned starting next week. I will be posting a lot more about the Let's Get Rich Quick Challenge. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more of that. My name's Dennis. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.